An Indian Air Force veteran has said that Pakistan could still turn the tables on the Indian Air Force by deploying the 400 km range Chinese PL-15 air-to-air systems on its soon-to-be inducted JF-17 Block 3 fighter jets, and the technical advantage that will be gained by the Indian Air Force through the acquisition of the Rafale fighter jets would be for a short period of time, because it would be based largely on the Meteor systems and advanced sensors. It is confirmed by the Chinese media that the upgraded JF-17 Block 3 will have a stealthy airframe and a reduced radar cross-section, and will get a number of technologies developed for the J-25th generation fighter jet. The former head of the US Air Force's Combat Command had also stated earlier that outmatching the Chinese PL-15 air-to-air system is an exceedingly high priority for the US Air Force. According to a defense expert, the plan of Hindustan Aeronautics to develop and produce an indigenous heavy-class combat helicopter by 2027 is not future-proof, as the helicopter technology will move to a different level by that period. He also added that Hindustan Aeronautics needs to see the current change in the rotor technology, which are evolving with higher speed, better stealth and more reliability for the future. India is buying the Apache and MH-60 helicopters from the US, while the US will replace both of them with the future vertical lift helicopters, and these next-gen helicopters will surely be offered to the Indian Armed Forces. According to latest reports, DRDO has developed a portable detection device that can detect 20 different types of explosives as well as contaminated objects. And the major advantage of the new device is that it can inform the operator from a specific standoff distance, as the previous detection methods required the security personnel to do close-up scans. The Indian Navy has cut down its requirement of minesweepers from 12 vessels to 8 vessels due to budgetary constraints, and has instead procured some autonomous minesweepers. The Indian Navy is also adopting unmanned platforms for aerial operations, and is also ready with qualitative requirements for procuring 10 high-altitude long-endurance drones for maritime surveillance. But the Navy is still firm on a third aircraft carrier, as it was found after a detailed study that the third carrier should cost around 45,000 crore rupees. India's Right Choice Aviation has partnered with the leading ejection seat manufacturer Martin Baker for setting up an ejection seat servicing center in India, and will also start manufacturing in the near future. Martin Baker seats are fitted in over 1,000 Indian aircraft, and officials have said that the Indian center will significantly reduce the procurement time of ejection seats and will also improve the after-sales support. Underlining the potential for robust defense cooperation between India and Bangladesh, the Indian Foreign Secretary has said that India is ready to share every Indian-manufactured military hardware with its neighbor. He also welcomed the opportunity for Indian officers to train at Bangladesh's military institutions, just as the Indian side is ready to open military training institutes for its neighbor.